Imagine waking up, checking your phone and seeing thousands of dollars rolling into your bank account while you were sleeping. No boss, no 9-to-5 grind, just total freedom. Sounds like a dream? Well, buckle up because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a wildly profitable online business from scratch, even if you have zero experience and zero capital. And trust me, you've never heard these strategies before. This isn't the same old start a blog or sell on Amazon advice. These are real, actionable steps that can set you up for long-term success and financial freedom. Step 1. Find the hidden gold mine, picking the right business idea. Most people fail at online business because they chase the obvious: drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or selling generic digital products. The secret? You need to find an untapped or underutilized market and own it. Here's how. Rare and unique business ideas. Micro-audience digital courses. Instead of broad topics like how to make money online, create niche-specific courses like how personal trainers can make 6 figures online, or how stay-at-home moms can start a podcast empire. Research what people are struggling with in specific niches. Look at Reddit, Quora, and Facebook groups to find real pain points. Validate demand by creating free mini-trainings and seeing how people engage. Pre-sell the course before creating it to ensure it's a winner. AI-assisted copywriting for niche markets. Everyone's talking about AI, but few are building businesses around hyper-targeted AI tools. Imagine creating an AI-powered content generator specifically for real estate agents, fitness trainers, or local businesses. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper to refine your copywriting strategies. Develop templates and frameworks tailored to your niche, making their lives easier and more efficient. And hey, consider selling subscriptions or one-time products to these professionals. It's a win-win. Subscription-based digital printables. Most people sell digital downloads once. But what if you created a membership where teachers, event planners, or marketers get fresh new printables every month? Offer exclusive, highly customizable printables that aren't available on Etsy or other platforms. Partner with influencers in those industries to get the word out. Use Canva or Adobe to create high-quality resources that keep people coming back for more. It's a great way to build a loyal customer base. Reverse dropshipping. Instead of selling cheap products from China, flip the model. Source unique, high-quality items from the US or Europe and sell them to global audiences craving premium goods. Focus on high-end, handcrafted or artisanal products. Build a brand around luxury, eco-friendly, or ethically made goods. Utilize social media storytelling to share the uniqueness of your products. This approach not only adds value, but also builds a strong brand identity. Step 2. Build an audience before you sell. A lot of people think, I need to create a product before I start selling. Wrong. The smartest entrepreneurs build an audience first, then sell exactly what that audience wants. Here's how. The cash magnet content strategy. Create 3 types of content: viral content to attract new followers, engaging, entertaining, shareable. Authority content to build trust, case studies, behind the scenes, industry insights. Sales content to convert viewers into buyers, testimonials, product breakdowns, offers. Consistency is key. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week on platforms where your audience hangs out. The 3-day validation test. Before spending months building a product, test it. Post a teaser about your product and ask your audience if they'd buy it. If no one bites, pivot. Run Instagram or TikTok polls to gauge interest. Offer a founder's discount to get early adopters. If it flops, don't waste time, refine and relaunch. Stealth pre-selling. Offer a beta version of your product at a discount. This funds your business before you've even launched. Market it as an exclusive early access opportunity. Collect feedback from early users to improve the final version. Build excitement by making it a limited time offer. Step 3. The profit explosion monetization hacks that work. Now, let's talk about money. Here are rare but highly effective ways to turn your online business into a cash machine. The high-ticket service flip. Sell a premium service first, like coaching or consulting, and use that revenue to build your passive income streams. Many entrepreneurs start by selling a $20 product. Flip the script and start with a $500 or more service. This builds cash flow fast, so you can reinvest in automation and passive income streams. The digital ecosystem. Instead of selling just one product, create an ecosystem. For example, if you sell an online course, also offer paid coaching, a VIP community, and exclusive tools. This makes every customer more valuable to your business. It creates multiple streams of income from the same audience. The Giveaway Growth Hack. Run a viral giveaway where people get more entries for sharing your business with friends. This skyrockets your audience growth overnight. Tools like King Sumo or RafflePress make this easy. Offer a prize that's relevant to your audience, not just generic gift cards. Wait, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Step 4. The automation formula. Work less, earn more. We're here to build a business that runs on autopilot. Here's how to automate 90% of your income. Evergreen sales funnels. Build a system that collects leads and sells your product 24/7 with email automation and webinar replays. Set up a lead magnet to collect emails. Use an automated email sequence to nurture leads into buyers. AI-powered customer service. Use chatbots and AI to handle 90% of customer questions so you don't waste time on emails. Free up hours of your time each week. The VA Playbook. Hire a virtual assistant for as little as $5 per hour to handle your social media, customer service, and admin tasks. Train them with SOPs or standard operating procedures to ensure consistency. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.